Hi! In this tutorial, I will show you how to connect Mollie Payment Gateway with paymentform.io. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Payment Gateway Settings. From the left sidebar, click on the Payment Gateway option. Step 2. Select Mollie. In the list of available payment gateways, find Mollie. Then click the Connect Now button. Step 3. Enter connection details. Enter a name for this connection. Next, provide your Mollie API key. To find your API key, log into your Mollie dashboard. Then click on the Create Access Token button and complete the token creation process. Once the token is successfully created, simply copy it and paste it into the API key field in paymentform.io. After that, click the Connect button. Once the setup is completed successfully, you will see a confirmation message. Mollie is now successfully connected to paymentform.io and is ready to be used as a payment gateway for your payment forms. That's all for this tutorial. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.